Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a temporary status on Discord on PC. With the new update, Discord now allows users to set a custom status that automatically clears after a certain time frame. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom left corner of your app, where you'll see your profile picture. Click on your profile picture, and then click on Set a Custom Status. Next, you can add some flair to your status by clicking on the emoji icon to choose an emoji to include. Then, type out your custom status in the box provided. Once you've got your status just right, click on the Clear After menu to choose how long you want your status to last. You can choose from a variety of time frames, such as 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even 24 hours. Once you've selected your time frame, click Save to set your temporary status. And there you have it. You've successfully added a temporary status on Discord on your PC using the new update. Now you can easily let your friends know what you're up to without the hassle of manually clearing your status later. Thanks for watching.